What's up everybody, it's your boy AB Cooking. Today I'm gonna to show you the amazing battle Puzata Khata, it's Ukrainian restaurant, and homemade vegan cutlet. And in addition we are prepare our unique vegan dish right at home. Who will win this test duel?
Let's see.
Now we're going to order mashed potato and cutlet from Puzata Khata. Give me please a phone. So here it is. It is Glovo, Ukrainian brand. Okay. Cutlet, garnish, chips. The restaurant received our Glovo. So let's check what we have. Whoa. And how I have to open it? Seriously? And here we have. Okay, here is the cutlet and now we're gonna to prepare our homemade mashed potato. All we need is some potato. It's already peeled. Here is our potato. We're gonna to add some water. Put it on the gas. And now add some salt. You don't wanna unsalted mashed potato. And pour our potato to the boiling water. If you wanna do it faster, you can cut it on cubes. Ice cubes IT. And now let's make the cutlets. And we need an onion. Here is our onion, we have to peel it. I do it just like this. Cut it on two. Now we're gonna to cut it into cubes like this and cut. It's dough. Just look at this. Here we have already cooked rice. It has to be just like this. And we will use about 25% of rice against with onion and chichevitsa. Yesterday I washed up the chichevitsa. I have two types to make our dish better. Here is orange and here is bigger one usual. Now we're gonna to blend onion and chichevitsa. Chichevitsa is about 75% and onion about 25%. Let's make some blend business. To blend it better, you have to wash it up in the water for about 20 hours and you can mix it as light as possible. Some salt, about 1 teaspoon. Also pepper. Now we're going to mix the rice and our blend chichevitsa with onion. Just pour it to the bowl, and if we have about 75% of chichevitsa and onion, we also add about 25% of well-cooked rice. let's make a form of cutlets like this. Now our dish is ready, so we're gonna to show it to you. So now our operator will try first one. Here is a cutlet with some potato. Give me your hand. What do you think?
Bad. It's so long.
And here is the second one. Give me your hand.
I like this. I like.
This is America.
Oh, homemade vegan is winner. Pa, 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 pa. As you understand, the vegan food is better. And trust me, it's really good. Subscribe to the channel and leave your opinion in the comments. Good luck.
We will forever be.
America.